Hi, and welcome to the Mazda Minute, brought to you by Mazda of Midland. I'm your host, Chris Robin. In this episode, we'll be talking about hail repair, how the recent storms affected our vehicles, what that means to you, our retail customer, and also, if your vehicle is affected, how we might assist you in that repair. Let's take a look. The storms earlier this month of June produced some hail that caused some damage to our inventory. That put our cars in 4 categories. Damaged cars that have not yet been repaired, damaged cars that have since been repaired, cars that were not affected during the storm because they weren't located outside, and then inventory that's arrived since the storm. If you have a question about any specific vehicle, please contact our sales department and we'll let you know about discounts and other activities that we're doing to help promote the sale of these vehicles. If you've got any questions, just give us a call. Let's take a look at what we can do if your car was damaged and how we might be able to assist there. If your personal vehicle was damaged in the recent hailstorms, Mazda of Midland can help. We've created a liaison position to assist customers with their hail repair. That's right, one point of contact. We'll list the email and phone number for that point of contact, your hail liaison, in the show notes. Give us a call, send us an email, we'll get you taken care of. And by the way, if we fix your hail, we're going to provide you with a complimentary loaner vehicle. We're going to change your oil while the vehicle's here, and we're going to wash your vehicle at no additional charge. Again, that liaison contact is in the show notes. Give us a call, shoot us an email, and let us know how we can help. Thanks for watching the Mazda Minute, brought to you by Mazda of Midland. Mazda of Midland, proudly serving the Permian Basin for over 20 years.